Dan, you want to come down here and help me out? But since we're playing new songs, I think maybe we should do one more new song. But I think you guys know this one. Maybe it's called Be Alright. Basically, I wrote this song Be Alright when I was overseas. And I think a lot of you girls may be able to relate to this song. And it goes a little something like this. Across the ocean, across the sea, starting to forget the way you look at me now. Over the mountains, across the sky, need to see your face and need to look in your eyes. Through the storm and through the clouds, bumps in the road and we're upside down now. I know it's hard, babe, to sleep at night. Don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Be alright. Don't you worry, everything's gonna be alright. Be alright. Brace. You know that I care for you. I'll always be there for you. I promise I'll just stay right here. I know that you want me to, baby. We can make it through anything, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Be alright. Through the storm and through the clouds, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be